Hello students, welcome back to the computer science class of 2nd PUC. Okay, so in the last videos we started with the chapter 3, that is logic gates. So we have covered topics such as what is logic gate, types of logic gates. Which are the types of logic gates? There are two types, one is basic and another is derived. So in the basic we saw NOT or AND gates. In the derived we saw NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR. Yes, okay, you have to remember the symbol, truth table, and what will be the output when you give input. Okay, so now moving on to the next concept, that is NAND NOR as universal gates. So before studying NAND NOR as universal gates, so let us see first what is a universal gate. What is meant by universal gate? Universal gate means it is a gate using which all the basic gates can be designed. Okay, so which are the basic gates here? Basic gates are nothing but NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Okay, so these three gates can be designed. ये थ्री गेट्स को हम डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. कौन सा गेट्स यूज़ करके? यूनिवर्सल गेट्स को यूज़ करके हम बेसिक गेट्स को डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. यस. So what is this universal gate? Universal gate is a gate using which all the basic gates can be designed. Okay, so which are those two universal gates? Those universal gates are nothing but NAND and NOR. Okay, means using a NAND gate you can design NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Similarly, using a NOR gate we can also derive or design NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Okay, so here question can be asked, what is a universal gate? Or give the example for universal gate. You have to write this definition. What is that? Universal gate is a gate using which all the basic gates can be designed. An example for universal gates are NAND and NOR. Okay, you understood why we call this NAND and NOR as universal gates? Because using these two gates we can design basic gates. Okay, now the next main question can be asked here for 3 marks, that is realize NOT or AND gates using NAND gate. The question can be asked like realize or implement or derive. Okay, any of the gate, it can be NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. They can ask you to design any of these gates using the NAND gate. Okay, and how to derive these gates using the NAND gates? We will see one by one. First one is NAND to NOT gates. मतलब क्या है? हम NAND गेट को यूज़ करके NOT गेट को डिज़ाइन करना है. So okay, using a NAND gate we are going to design a NOT gate. Okay, now how we can design? As we know what is a NOT gate. Okay, so recall what is a NOT gate. NOT gate is nothing but it is simply a gate. Okay, how many inputs it has? It has only one input. How many outputs it has? It has only one output. So here if I give input as X, what will be the output? Output will be X bar. Yes, so what I have to do here? I have to use this NAND gate. This is a NAND gate. Yes, so I have to use here NAND gate. Using that NAND gate I have to derive this NOT gate. But see here, what is the condition for a NAND gate? How many inputs we need? We need 2 inputs. Yes, this is a NAND gate. NAND gate will not work on one input. We need how many inputs? We need 2 inputs here. Okay, so here what I will do, I will provide X as a input. So I am providing same input only. X value can be either 1. So if I take X value as 1, this will be 1, this will be 1. Yes, or I can give X value as 0. If I take X value as 0, this will become 0, this will also become 0. Yes, okay, so however I am giving the same input, so what I will do, I will simply club these two inputs. Okay, I'll simply club these two inputs, and then what I'll do, I'll give input as X. Okay, X will be provided here and X will also be provided here as a input. So like this, what I can do, I can give 2 inputs. So what output I want? I want the output as X bar here. Okay, so I want the output as X bar. So by doing like this, it will become a NAND gate. So here like this, what we can do, we can derive NOT gate using the NAND gate. Now we will see through the equations how can we design this. Okay, so as I said, what we want to design a NOT of x. Yes, what is that NOT of x? It is nothing but x bar. Yes, so using what gate I have to derive this? I have to use only NAND gate. So using NAND gates, I have to derive this NOT gate. Okay, so I can arrange the equations the way how I want. Okay, so what I have written here, x and x. So here I am providing x, here also I am providing x. So I am providing this x and x for an AND gate, means it is nothing but x and x operation. So I can write it like this, x NAND, x NAND x. Yes or no? I can write like this. Okay, so the next step is x NAND x. Now further, what I want just x bar. I want just x bar. So how I can divide this? I mean, how I can rewrite this? I can rewrite it like this, x bar plus x bar. Madam, how can we write like this? Yes, see, so in the second chapter we have a theorem called as De Morgan theorem. A scientist called De Morgan, he has proposed two theorems for this Boolean algebra. Right now you remember the second theorem is x NAND x will be equals to x bar or x bar. Okay, right now you remember this. When we study the second chapter, I will tell you how this equation comes, and we will have a derivation for that. Okay, now you remember there is some theorem called as De Morgan's theorem. What is that? Second theorem is x NAND x. I can also rewrite it x bar plus x bar. Okay, same thing, just rewriting the term. Then so x bar plus cx. So what is this plus? In the sense it is nothing but OR operation. Yes or no? So if I take x value as 1, so 1 bar plus x is again 1 only, this will not change. So x bar, 1 bar. What is that? So 1 bar in the sense it is nothing but 0. Yes or no? Then again 1 bar in the sense it is nothing but 0. So 0 plus 0, I mean 0 or operation it is. You remember logical addition. So 0 plus 0 will be nothing but 0. Yes. So what was the x value I had taken? I had taken x value as how much? X value was 1. But what output I am getting? I am getting output as 0. Yes or no? So this is 0 is a complement of 1. Yes, we have derived the NOT gate using what here? NAND gate. So this question can be asked for 1 mark. Derive NOT gate using NAND gate. Similarly, they can ask derive OR gate, AND gates using NAND gates. Okay. Now we will see the next one. So how to derive an AND gate using the NAND gate. See here what I want gate AND gate operation. I want output as a AND gate. So what I have to do here, I have to use 2 NAND gates. I have to use how many? I have to use 2 NAND gates. See here what will happen. First NAND gate, how many inputs we need? We need 2 inputs. That is nothing but here I am providing x, here I am providing y. So after performing this NAND operation, what will be the output? The output will be xy bar. Yes. So again, if I give this xy whole bar as an input to another AND gate, another NAND gate. This NAND gate you can see just now we have derived NOT gate using NAND gate, right? So this also looks similar to NOT gate only. Yes, ये भी उसी तरह दिखता है ना, नॉट गेट यूजिंग नैंड गेट. ये तो नॉट गेट ही है, इसका ऑपरेशन क्या है? नॉट गेट का ही है, पर गेट कौन सा है? यहाँ पे यूज़ किया हुआ गेट कौन सा है? नैंड गेट है. Okay, so if I give here x y bar as an input to this gate, so what will be the output? Output will be x y. Yes or no? Because this gate is performing operation of NOT gate, though it is a NAND gate, but this we have derived as a NOT gate using the NAND gate. Yes or no? So using this we are going to derive a NAND gate using AND gate using NAND gate. Okay. Now see here, how can I derive this? See here the equation, I want xy, that is AND operation. So what am I doing here? I am doing here x NAND y, yes or no? So that only I have written in equation, x NAND y. Yes, so again I am doing here x NAND y, so that x NAND y have written here. Yes, so total what I am doing, I am performing this operation using a NAND gate. Yes or no? So we will rewrite this in the equation form. Okay, now see, first we will have a derivation for this term x NAND y. Okay, so how I can write this x NAND y? I can write it like this, xy, total bar is nothing but it is representing a x NAND y. Yes, so I can rewrite this x NAND y as how much, as what, x bar plus y bar. Yes, so in the last example, last derivation only we saw what we are using a De Morgan's theorem. Yes, so you right now you remember this. Okay, now next, okay, next is what? Next is, so now we got the term x NAND y, means I can rewrite it like x bar plus y bar. So this term is also the same. Yes, so what I will do, so I will simply replace this term and this term with x bar plus y bar and x bar plus y bar. So what is remaining? That is NAND. I have written here as it is a NAND. Yes, okay. Now next, this NAND is nothing but what? It is also bar only. Now in place of the x, what we have? X bar plus y bar. In place of y, what we have? Y bar plus z bar. Yes, so for that total it is a, the total it is a NAND operation. Yes, okay. So again what I can do, here I have a bar for two terms, so again I can use the De Morgan's theorem. So De Morgan's theorem, again using this theorem I can rewrite this term as like this, x bar bar y bar bar plus x bar bar y bar bar. Okay, I can rewrite it like this. Okay, now next step is x bar bar, they have replaced it with what? X. Okay, how they have replaced it? Now assume that value of x is 0. 0 bar is how much? 0 bar is how much? It is 1. Okay, 0 bar is 1 only. Yes or no? We have seen 0 bar is 1. So now this again 1 bar is nothing but 0. Is this not 0 equals to this 0? Right? This 0 is equals to this 0. Means what was the value of x? X, that is the value of x here after performing complement for 2 times. Yes, so what I can do, I can simply rewrite this x bar bar 2 times bar as a x, similarly y bar bar as a y, similarly this term. Okay, now what we got? X y plus x y. This is similar to, assume that this is similar to 1 plus 1 because both terms are same here. This is also one term, this is also one, both are same. Or I can consider this as 0 plus 0. Logical addition of 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1. Means what is the term? These two terms, that is nothing but the output, right? So what I can do, what is my term here? X y. So that I can write as a output. Yes, and now observe here, what is this x y? This x y, is it not a AND operation? Yes or no? This is nothing but AND operation. X y, after performing AND, what we get? X y. Yes, we have arrived at our result. So now we have derived AND gate using the NAND gate. Yes, so I will again teach you what is this De Morgan's theorems. First theorem and second theorem. I know you might be facing a problem here because you still don't know what are these theorems. But right now just remember what is the theorem and what will be the expansion, and simply replace the term with the De Morgan's theorem's expansion. Okay, now Okay, next, so deriving OR gate using the NAND gate, that is using NAND gate we are going to derive here OR gate. See here, I want the output as what? I want the output as x plus y, because x plus y is nothing but it is OR operation. Yes or no? So how I can consider? So what I'm doing here, I am simply taking x as a input for a NAND gate which is acting as a NOT gate. Similarly, y as a input to the AND gate which is also acting as a NOT gate. So after providing input here, so what will be the output? Since it is performing an AND operation, the output will be x NAND x. So here the output will be y NAND y. So after providing this as an input another AND gate, so here is a mistake from your textbook also, there is a mistake, just to make a correction, it is a bubble here. Okay, there will be the bubble here. Okay, because we are simply using what? We are just using the NAND gates. Okay, so right here make a correction, put this as a bubble. So after providing this x bar y bar whole bar, sorry, x y NAND gate and y y NAND gate as an input to this NAND gate, your output will be x plus y. Okay, now we will see how are we going to get this output. So don't forget, just put a bubble here. Okay, now we will see the derivation. How can we derive this? See here, what I have taken as shown in the diagram, we have here x NAND x, similarly y NAND y. So first we will derive the term terms individually. Let us take x NAND x. X NAND x, I can write it like this, x NAND x. So as we have derived in the NOT gate, I can also rewrite this as x bar plus x bar. Yes, so I can x bar plus x bar is nothing but that will be x bar only. Okay, because that only they have represented here. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Similarly, like how I have derived for x NAND x, same thing can be derived for y NAND y. See here, y NAND y means like this. I can rewrite it using the De Morgan's theorem as y bar plus y bar. So what will be the output? Y bar plus y bar will be y bar only. Yes, so they have simply represented that the output directly as a y bar. Okay, now this x bar, this y bar, again what is there in between? There is still a NAND. Yes, so how can we write it like this? X bar y bar NAND is there. Yes, see again what I can do here, I can use a De Morgan's theorem. Consider this term as x and this term as y. So how can I write it? I can write like this, x bar plus y bar. This will be the expansion using the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so that thing only they have written here. And just now we saw x bar will give us output as x only. Similarly, y bar will give us input as y only. Y complement of complement will be y only. Yes, so the same results have been put here and we got it as x plus y. So x plus y is nothing but a OR operation. Yes, so I'm telling you there is a mistake, just make here a bubble. Okay, so what we saw today, we saw what is a universal gate. So what is a universal gate? It is nothing but a gate using which we can derive basic gates. And which are those universal gates? Universal gates are two, that is one is a NAND gate and one more is a NOR gate. Right now we saw in this video deriving AND, OR and NOT gates using the NAND gate. Yes, now in the next session we will study how to derive a NOT, OR, AND gates using the NOR gate. Okay, thank you.